Hey friends, if you encounter the error Chrome side-by-side configuration is incorrect, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and then click on the download pointing arrow in the right pane. Okay, uninstall it. Okay, I'm just giving you an honest suggestion. You cannot fix it directly. Click on these three dots, select uninstall and uninstall it completely. Uninstall, completely remove it, completely everything. Once it is removed, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on disk cleanup, OK, and then check all of these boxes here so that no remaining component of Chrome is left on your system. Click on delete files and make sure all the files are deleted. Once this is completed, it will need a while, so let it complete first. I'll show you otherwise. Then open Microsoft Edge browser, for that matter any browser, and then search for Chrome download and hit enter. Then go to the Chrome web browser, click on download Chrome, click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.